yesterday we had a meeting which went very well. So today we are going to discuss about the same meeting and yeah.
Look, I zoned out. Hi.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on?
What's going on? What?
What's going on?
What's going on? We're going.
What's going? God is going. That's all.
You got something else coming today. 'Cause I spit fire. Oh,
Look how fresh this lemon chai is. Bye.
Bye.
Yesterday I was so tired that I did not edit my vlog also. I have to edit now.
I'll tell you. Yeah, for the photo shoot, I'll tell you. I want a makeup artist, a hairstylist. I want Trump standing behind me and Modi ji standing next to me. And I want a blog written as UN has did a survey and posted that.
Late Night Ideas is the best advertising company in the world.
And Modi ji and Saad are very good friends, and Trump is looking for us.
Yours?
Yeah, so like the same thing, but I want a little more extension of that. Like with Trump behind and Modi next to me, the China bastard should be like lying in front of me. Okay, I should like my leg should be on him like this. Like this. I'm like ah. So that's what I want.
And hashtag Bharat Mata ki Jai.
You want anything?
Nah, bro.
Normal?
The camera.
Yeah, like normal. One photo is enough, no? Oh, Bara.
That is only one
There are
thing.
more things.
Hey, now go work, ma.
And also I want another picture where I'm standing on the moon. Like I was the first person before Neil Armstrong to go to the moon.
Yeah, you take that picture, make it black and white so it looks old.
It is the mystery. How did I go to the moon?
Bro,
For
better.
that mystery, people
But
start
I think this would be better. You know that Neil Armstrong photo is there with the American flag and all.
What do I do with
Photo,
them?
like you stand next to
Tell
that
me
photo.
what do I do with them?
Make that of Indian food.
Yeah. And the first two people to land on moon are myself and Modi ji.
Over.
We still have a lot of ideas. We'll come to you when we like.
And don't think that I'm making this up. It's a fact.
Over.
Thank you.
Stay there only, okay? Press something over there, it will go down or up.
And nobody is listening to that.
What do we do, bro? We are literally stuck in the middle of the floor. Like. Good news and bad news.
Don't tell the bad news, tell the good news.
Good news is the elevator guy is coming.
Okay, fine, thank you.
The bad news is it will take half an hour to come.
Where is he?
Somewhere near.
What? Somewhere near.
Somewhere nearby.
I'll take half an hour for him to come here. Now we see. Stop recording. Help us out, yaar.
I can't do anything, bro. Okay, guys, bye. I need to work. Guys.
Oh, welcome back. It's fucking India, bro. Go fucking work.
They're stuck in the elevator, and the elevator guy will take at least half an hour to come now, and they'll be stuck there forever. So, but I have work and I need to work, and so I'm going bye bye. Let's see the reactions. Let's see the reactions. They're stuck in the elevator. It will take half an hour for the elevator guy to come.
What the hell? What the? Okay, so they're in the elevator stuck.
They're in the elevator stuck. It's closed and it's in midway, like not on any floor. Hey guys, how are you doing?
You're gonna fall. That is not a
How are
good
you
sign.
doing?
Deciding not to join us, best decision you make by far.
I opened the door. I opened the lift door, and there was nothing. ನಾವು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಏನೋ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ.
They were hugging and sitting.
We're not
Okay, not hugging, okay, we're just sitting. Don't overdo it just
Hugging
for
and
your video.
We are not
Hugging
you.
and sitting.
We are not
Hugging
you.
and sitting.
We are not you.
Hugging and
We're
sitting.
just sitting, not hugging.
Glad there was no girl.
फिजिकल एंड सेक्सुअल मैम की एज होती है 19 से 35 तक जो फाइल होता है मैरिड अनमैरिड कॉलेज गर्ल वर्किंग लेडी जो टाइप की आपको मैम चाहिए यहाँ पे सब अवेलेबल है आप इसमें इंटरेस्टेड है
आपका वेबसाइट कुछ है क्या?
और सर कंपनी का वेबसाइट है हम आपको दे देंगे आपका व्हाट्सएप नंबर क्या है
व्हाट्सएप नंबर नहीं अभी नहीं, बट मैं बताऊंगा.
Just because you said. Don't even know how to eat a roll. Now he's become a statue. And she got scared. I don't know for what joy, but this guy every time see the camera goes to, he's like become statue. Now see. Hi Akshay, what's up?
Privacy of eating,
Akshay, what's up? Oh, everyone is getting. Everyone. Except her. Because she doesn't want to show. Okay. As I said, bears about, bears talk, bears too. Start saying.
Okay. Bears, bears about, bears talk, bears two, bears boy, bears this, bears get, bears eye, bears long, bears how, bears look.
It's got. Okay. The same thing, but bears, 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 bears about bears, bears talk bears.
I didn't get it.
What? Bears, 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 bears about like bears
I
is
got
nothing.
that. I got the game. Okay, you want me to reveal it?
Don't.
I got that.
Don't.
And then I'm not saying that. Okay, later.
Ah, cool. Bears, bears, bears.
Okay.
Bears in the
you
start.
added my
One
part.
second,
My
one
part
second.
is not coming out.
Okay, what you do is you put these words in between.
Bears, bears.
Yeah, and your first and third word will be bears.
Bears about bears. Hungry.
Okay, fine. Bears, bears, bears. Bears about bears. Bears talk bears. Bears two bears. Bears boy bears. Bears this bears. Bears god bears. Bears eye bears. Bears long bears. Bears how bears. Bears look bears.
Done.
Shall I reveal it?
No.
No.
Okay. Tell the next step.
What is that word?
Okay. Fine. The next one is 5 times. But it's like kelu. Listen.
Do it.
Listen. It's like bears, BRC, bears. BRC. The fourth word is BRC. Okay. Bears.
I know I'll fuck up this round.
No, go
Okay.
slow.
Bears about bears, BRC, bears. Hungry.
Your fourth word is bearsy.
Second word is this.
Third word.
Fourth word.
Fourth word is BRC. Second word is this. whatever comes.
And your 1 3.
Bears about beds, bearsy beds.
Ah, like that. For every
end,
word.
In the end, if
For
you know
sh-
what that actual thing is, you will kill it.
Yeah, okay.
In the end.
Now do it.
Okay. Bears, bearsy bears. Bears about bearsy bears. Bears talk bearsy bears. Bears two bearsy bears. Bears boy bearsy bears. Bears this bearsy bear. Bears get bearsy bears. Bears eyes bearsy bear. Bears long bearsy bear. Bears how bearsy bear. Bears look bearsy bear.
I want to change one word here.
Not needed. You give him the last.
Now read this the other way.
Read this
Read this the backward.
Read that backwards.
Read it loud.
Look how long I got this boy to talk about beds. Hey, I will talk about beds for hours, bro. Even if you don't do this game, okay? I love beds.
How did you get to know?
Because I read it backwards.
That's why. He has brains. Unlike him.
I thought upwards didn't make any sense. So let's try the other way around. And as soon as I got to some 4 words, I got to know, oh, this is the one.
You also. What yeah? Drawing an hand sandal. Why?
Networks are fucked up.
Of course you did.
You are shadi material, Naina. You're not a flirt, Naina. What? I'm serious.
I'm not.
Turn the camera towards Naina. See here? Ye jawani hai diwani. Dil rani.